Yummy. So this, and this is just onions and portobello mushrooms washed and cleaned. And then I added some Worcestershire sauce, some olive oil. I took some for my crispy onions. These are just done. My shallots, I should say. Added that in here. Some garlic butter, some salt, some pepper, some adobo. And that mixed for some good onions and mushrooms for your, I'm doing a Philly cheesesteak, so. And I do add green bell peppers, but I like a fresh French, so I add them when I add the meat, and they'll be nice and crunchy. But these I like nice and soft, so these will keep going. This is how I like mine. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Now that is a Philly. I'm gonna melt the cheese right now. Put it on that toast. Oh my God, I can't wait. I'm so excited.